This video will focus on the question feature in Google Classroom. First, you must go to Classwork, click Create, and then choose the question feature. And it will pull up like an assignment. It will allow you a place to type your question. You can make that question short answer if you want it to be more of a class discussion. You still have the opportunity to add instructions. You can add anything from your drive, link, a file, a YouTube video, anything to enhance that question that you're going to be posing to your class. You can go ahead and assign it to multiple classes just like you would other assignments in Google Classroom. You can assign it points, or you can leave it as ungraded. You can give it a due date and time that it would post. You can also have this question underneath the topic that it goes with. This would go underneath Flowers for Algernon because this question is associated with the story. Also, you have the option of saying students can reply to each other. You would uncheck this if you just want students to respond to the question and you want to see their answer. But I always like to allow students to reply to each other so that it can mimic a true class discussion. If you're doing something online or even in class face to face, students can still have a discussion without verbally speaking. You can give the students an option to edit their answer by clicking this. I usually leave that unclicked because I don't like students to see what their classmates have posted and then they go back and look at the answer and try to change their answer themselves. Once you have completed your question and added anything that you would like to add to that particular assignment, you can click Ask. You can save the draft or you can discard the draft just like a regular assignment. I'm going to switch this question to multiple choice. This is another option in the question feature. Maybe you just want to use it as an exit ticket. So you'll have your options right here where you can type the options for the multiple choice. And you can add different choices. Let's say, do one more. And you notice over here you have a different option. Students can see the class summary or students cannot see the class summary. So those are your two options for the question feature. You can do multiple choice or you could just leave it as short answer. And students can fill in their answer however they want. And then you would simply click Ask to pose the question. And the question would show up in classwork. And click on it. It looks like this. The student have the opportunity to view the question. When the students are actually assigned to the classroom, you still have the option of changing the points or adding the points to it. You will see the students who are answering and who are replying to the question.